Sir, good morning, sir. Are you African?
Yes, Nigerian.
Nigerian? What's the difference between Nigerian and African?
It's like Asia and Philippines.
Ito po, how can we pronounce your name?
Makonjola.
Makanjola. Ola Joven Segun. Hirap. Can we ask you some question? Can you remove your one? You are Nigerian. How old are you?
I'm 33.
33. How can you say about the police officers here in the Philippines implementing this kind of activity? Just like you, we advise the driver to remain calm and collected. We are only conducting this kind of inspection and advise them to present the driver's license.
Nakakaintindi.
Hindi. Pinalalabas namin sa sa mga driver gaya mo na lisensya. Do you know ORCR?
Yes. I have it also. Show you.
Can you show? What's your work here in the Philippines?
I have a business actually.
Business. Here in Makati?
Yes. Sorry, what?
Are you single?
No, I'm white.
Filipina. You're saying many words Tagalog. Okay na.
I have to look for it now.
Okay na. Ingat. Shout out your wife.
Her name is Jenny Lee. Jenny Lee.
Jenny Lynn. Shout out Jenny Lynn. What's your company?
I feel safe. I'm happy that there's checkpoint. I feel safe because sometimes I fear that my motor might be stolen. I'm sure that at least if ever in 1 week I will catch it.
If you have some need assistance, just chat me on my page.
What is the page for?
Parax Chronicle.
On
And
Instagram or Facebook?
Facebook page. And share this to your friends or relatives.
You say Parak?
Parak.
Like that?
Yes.
Okay.
Chronicle. That's one.
Okay.
And that's your life.
Okay. Okay.
Take care.
I feel like celebrity already. Thank you, bro.
What's your work?
Barbecue. I do business.
Barbecue.
Yes.
Can you have a hotline or? Ay! No.
Now I'm showing you. Show only. Tignan po kayo na lang.
Tingnan lang.
Oo.
Okay na namin. Thank you so much. How much is per piece?
Per piece, 100 pesos per serving. Okay lang po, you can stop by sa poblasyon lang.
Poblasyon. Thank you so much.